Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Bolognese, which is perfect with pasta. You can use it for lasagna and so many other things. So the base for this is going to be TVP, which is textured vegetable protein. This is amazing. You can give it any flavors. You can make it like chicken or meat. It's like super easy to add flavors to. And with this I can make 3 to 4 meals, and because it actually absorbs all the water, so it gets bigger, so it's amazing. This one I buy it on Amazon. I'm gonna leave you the link down below. And if you're in another country, try like organic places, or sometimes you can buy them at like some like superstores and stuff like that. But for me, the cheapest and the easiest way to get it is Amazon, and so that's where we get it, and we love it so much. And so we're gonna start with the recipe right now. So let's begin. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is gonna be hydrating the soy. We're gonna add the spices that I'm gonna be using for this. Down below you will see which ones they are. We're gonna mix this and use really hot water. This one is boiling water. And remember, you can add any flavor you want to this meat, but I didn't add anything because I'm doing a bolognese. And you need a lid for this. Make sure that this is covered so the water, the soy will hydrate really well with the water. And we cover it and start with the sauce. With the sauce, I wanted to show you, these are the ingredients, and what I have here is some oregano and thyme. You can add as much as you want, so it's just letting you know. And onions, I have my onions like this, like my mother and my mother-in-law do, so they chop them and add oil and put them in the fridge, and that's how we use it. So as you can tell, I'm not using oil because this one already has oil. So that's something you could do. It's a really nice trick. So yeah, so we add the spices, spice mix, and the salt, and we're gonna cook this for a little bit, a few minutes, until the onions look well cooked. And we're gonna add the red pepper, and every time you add the veggies, make sure you mix them all so they soak up all the spices, all those flavors. And we're gonna be adding the garlic, and again mixed. I'm cooking this on medium heat. You could add a little bit, like a higher setting, but I don't like burning my food. So we have the carrot that I'm adding, and I added just a little bit of thyme to give it some kind of flavor, but usually I add quite a lot. We add the chopped mushrooms. Usually I add the carrots and the mushroom at the same time because they cook really fast, and trust me, this won't take long. And once everything is all combined, we're gonna add the TVP. Look at that, like there's no water. It really hydrated. It's because it was covered. So make sure when you do that, when you're hydrating your soy, remember always to cover it so there's no water left. And we're gonna cook this for a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And remember to be mixing so nothing sticks to the pan. Remember, we wouldn't use too much oil here, so yeah. And after this, we're gonna be adding the tomato paste. The one that I'm using is organic. I try to eat the most organic stuff, food, as much as possible. And I like this one because it doesn't have anything added, just tomato paste. We're gonna be adding the water, and we're going to mix it just like that. This is looking delicious already. And I'm gonna be adding sugar. Remember, when you're cooking with tomato paste, always add sugar so it's not sour. That's a trick I've known for many years. When I started cooking when I was a kid, my parents taught me to do that when I cook with tomato paste. And we cover and add 2 tablespoons of red wine. That's optional, but I think you have to add it because it makes such a difference. And we're gonna try it. And here I'm gonna be adding another little bit of salt. It's just up to your liking. And I add more oregano, and a little bit of more thyme. Is, remember, up to you. You can try it and see how much you wanna add. I cooked here at the same time I cooked the pasta, and look at this, it's so delicious and super easy. Everything took like 10 to 15 minutes, like so simple. You need to do this. That is all for today. I hope you like this recipe. If you want to see more recipes with TVP, please let me know on the comments down below. And remember, all the ingredients that I used today are gonna be down in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe and give like to this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.